Hey guys, it is Info Girl. I hope everyone is doing great, but we're going to go ahead and get right into it. So, today I bring you guys a lender by the name of Chase. Now, yes, Chase does have multiple different credit cards, but today specifically, we will be talking about the United Explorer credit card. Now, the good thing about this credit card is you can earn 60,000 bonus miles after qualifying purchases. You can also earn United Travel benefits, okay? Now, the APR for this credit card is 21.74% up to 28.74%. Now, another great thing about this credit card is there is a $0 intro annual fee for your first year. Then after that, you will be charged $95 per year. Now, to be able to be approved for this credit card, you must have a 670 credit score and above. Okay, again, you can earn 60,000 bonus miles after you spend $3,000 on purchases in your first 3 months of your account opening. Okay, now you can join them with a two-time mile on United Airline purchases, dining, and hotel stays as well. Now, I do recommend this card if you do a lot of traveling. This could be a really great card for you because they have a lot of great benefits. Now, free first check back for you and your company, save up to $140 per round trip. Now, this credit card does have a limit as high as $5,000 if you are approved. And of course, after 6 months of making your payments on time, you can get an increase up to $20,000 and more. Now, they even have more travel benefits for you to enjoy. You can get $100 as a statement credit for your global entry. Okay, now they have additional benefits as well. All travel, all United travel benefits, okay, which you can get your first check back, save up to $140 per round trip. Also, there is no foreign transaction fee, the luxury of hotels and resort collection as well. So, like I said, if you are a big traveler, this could be a really great card for you. They also have travel and purchase coverage. Spend instantly, pay over time. So, if you are unable to make your payment right then and there, you can set up some type of payment arrangement and with no interest rate, just a fixed monthly fee. So, if you guys are looking for a high limit credit card and you travel with some additional benefits, this could be the card for you. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button and the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you could be notified.